Oh, go. Howdy, y'all. This is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a guard security lock. That's right. One of these big old nasty ones here. And I actually just got it open, so we're going to pick her open again for you. For ye. Let's hope that works. Come on now. Alright. And I'm using my left-handed tension wrench here, because that's how I got it open last time, and that's how we're going to get it open again. So that was 5-4 5. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is a rough bugger. I don't know what it is. Alright, we're going to reset. Try again. So, I got 5, 4, 3. I think I slid off the pin there. Huh. Huh. I think I just get a little overzealous with this thing. That's really what it is. I just get really excited and I start applying way too much tension on it. I think what it was is I got lucky is really what it boils down to. So. So I was editing a video yesterday, and I was curious, how many of you guys out there really edit your stuff? I mean, like, I'm sure you guys all want to do the same thing I do, but I mean, we want to make it look good, right? So it's appealing to the other person. So people want to watch it. So it looks good. I don't know. It probably only looks good to me, but I don't know. I like making it so you can. It looks good. It feels good. It makes you laugh, maybe. You know, I just. There we go. Nice, got her again. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up. See what we got inside. Hope I'm not deeply disturbed by what's in here. So, like I said, I haven't tried to open this yet. Let's go ahead and make sure the key works. Of course it does. And screwdriver. That's weird. That wasn't tight in there at all. Oh, look at that. Oh, there was a beefcake wafer there. Look at that. That's pretty good. That's cool. Cool. Such a bummer sometimes. There we go. Son of a gun, man. Son of a gun, Harry. I think I got a different follower here that will actually work more like a champion than the one I have here. I just don't know where it is. That's right. I'm sure there's nothing in here that's gonna fuck things up, so. Oh. I don't know how that happened, y'all, but just lost all the pins. That's okay. Not like anything really important about them. They're all just standard pins. I'll fix them later. So nothing done to the core, obviously. It's stock lock. So I found my tweezers. Mark this sucker. I don't know if any of you guys do that, but it's a really good idea to always mark the front of your top. That way, if you're dumb shit and you forget, like I do sometimes. Oh, that's a very fake, like, spool, kind of. Dude, these are all like crap ass spools, man. Total garbage. And there we go. There's all 5 on those. So these are all. Let's see if I can find the best looking one here. This one doesn't look too bad. Okay. Something back this up here. So we can see that. See how that looks? It kind of looks like a spool kind of, but not really. Or it looks like it has maybe some serrations on it. But that's what we have in there. And these other pins are just your good old standard. So anyway, y'all, this was a guard security lock. Big old beefy sucker. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. Thanks for watching.